Hi, welcome to King Motors. You've clicked the link to our 2017 Jaguar XE R Sport. This is an absolutely gorgeous car, like a work of art to me if you ask me. But what we're going to do from here, I'm going to get you some real nice footage of the car, and then we'll take you for a spin and show you buttons and functions and all that kind of stuff. But from here, let's go for a spin. Here we are out in the XE itself, and firstly I'll speak about the cars themselves. This was the first time in a long time that Jag in a small car, it was their first small car where they went back to rear wheel drive, and it just made a massive difference because they were competing with BMW 3 Series and that kind of stuff with the front wheel drive X-Type, and people just didn't want it. Like, rear wheel drive in an executive car just makes for a lovely smooth motoring. It also lends itself to a bit of performance driving, that kind of stuff. The chassis is much more balanced. You're being pushed as opposed to pulled. Then onto the car itself. Oh, what a place to be. Jags are beautiful. I've always been a massive fan of Jag, and I'm very lucky. I've always exposed them. My dad used to drive old XJs and stuff here when I was a kid, so I love Jags, and I love this. I love the new design school, the new design language on them. I think they're just beautiful. Like, this is like a work of art, this car. The interior is incredible. From the wraparound dashboard in it, you're inside the machine, like you're part of it. This all comes up. We have a huge big touchscreen here. We have a 10-inch touchscreen display. Everything is adjustable. We've heated seats, parking sensors. You know, I could wax lyrical about the spec of the car, but it's the actual trim and the interior that you're in. That's what makes all the difference. Big moon roof here. We have a big glass roof. We can open it all up. It's just, what a place to be. A gorgeous, gorgeous machine. Then we move on to this particular one, the one we're trying to sell you. This one here, as we sit in it now, has 39,940 miles, and it's as tight as a drum. It's precisely what you would expect for a car with this level of mileage and stuff on it. Everything is right. There's no squeaks and rattles. I hope you can hear all that in the background of the video. The car drives absolutely perfectly. It's a really, really nice example of one. Again, just general spec. You've Isofix seats, we've 4 electric windows, we've electric mirrors, we've all manner of steering controls here. We have cruise control, all of that kind of stuff. And then this being the R Sport, there's just loads of nice little touches on it. But my thing about Jaguar has always been the same. There's no skimping in them at all. They're beautiful. Like the end of the stalks, it's real aluminium. You know, it's machined aluminium into the bezel. The little bits on the air vent controls where it says Jaguar, again, it's real aluminium embossed into it, and it just makes for a fabulous car. What else could we say about it? We've a load of different driveline modes in it, actually, and then we've a 6-speed gearbox. We've 180 horsepower. It's all the car you could want, but it's just a lovely. It's closed the door and shut the world off. This will make your drive to work a nice place. You know, it's that 10 or 15 minutes you get to yourself. It will make it a special sort of time. Then moving on from that, just in this period of time when we're selling these cars, all of these cars are going to come with 12 months AA warranty. That'll work anywhere in the country whatsoever. It also includes 101 pre-sale checkpoint from an AA checkpoint. We're a SIMI dealer. We're an AA approved dealer. We've a mountain of Google reviews and all that kind of stuff. We're long in the motor trade. We're not new to it. I grew up in it, the 3rd generation. So the car will arrive right. We're very proud of our sort of customer service and that kind of stuff. So we do it well. Again, I won't go on about it, but you look at our reviews. But with that in mind, I'm going to finish up the video there. And if there's any questions or any piece of advice you need or anything, send us an email, give us a phone call. We'll do our best to get back to you. You can apply for finance online through our website. The banks are still lending, all that stuff can be done, and everything can be done remotely. Our end of the deal is that the car will arrive to you wanting nothing. Every function, piece and button on this car will work the way it's supposed to on the day you collect the car. That's our end of the deal. Should we miss anything in the interim, we'll retroactively repair it for you. No problem. There will be no, we don't want any hassle any more than you do. But with that in mind, thanks for watching the video. We appreciate your time, and hopefully we made your decision to come and see us a little bit easier.